What's up, everyone? This is Ryan here. Today I'm going to do a talking video of the Stihl GTA 26 mini chainsaw. Now I hope at some point this thing will get used this here for 2025 as I get with John. It will get used at some point as you can see because it's how I expected to say. Which I hope at some point this thing will get used at some point this year for 2025 as I get with John. But it will get used at some point because this chainsaw is like, I mean I hope at some point this thing will get used this year for 2025 as I get. I mean you can see this is a 2022 model, so this thing came out like since like I don't know, since it came out in 2022, but I got this in 2023 exactly, and then it's been used for 2 seasons now, you can see. But I hope at some point this game will get used at some point because it has been used since May, and the last time was used since May, you can see, because I do hope some point you can see, but I do hope some point this game will get used at some point this year because well, because you can see how much expected this thing was I mean, this is a pretty nice looking machine. I mean, it was just to say bad as the GT, it's the RC 820, which it's because you can share batteries, you can see, because you can tell. But this is a pretty nice looking machine, in my opinion, but you can see how much expected this machine is. Like, so I do hope some point this thing will get used this year for 2025, like, which it will definitely get used at some point because you see how much expected this machine is, like, because it will get used again at some point this year because I really wanted to get this thing used at some point because you know I expected it because I mean this thing it got used since last year and then got used again. But you can see is that how much I expected this machine exactly, which I'm hoping at some point this thing will get used this year for 2025 exactly, which I hope at some point this thing will get used this year for 2025 exactly because I hope this thing will get used.